Step into the future. Elevate your hotel's digital presence to attract more guests. Here's how. Greetings, hotel aficionados. You're tuning into the Hotel Helpcast podcast, where empty rooms meet their match and hospitality dreams turn to reality. Whether you're a boutique beginner or a resort superstar, this is your one-stop shop for insider tips. I'm your host, Jerry McPherson, and it's time to fluff those pillows and elevate your game. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on a ton of great info. Your hotel's website is not just an online footprint, but needs to be a dynamic, inviting gateway that turns curious browsers into confirmed guests. I'm going to walk you through the critical steps to refine your hotel's online presence, ensuring it shines brightly in the crowded digital marketplace. Hey there! Are you dreaming of opening those grand hotel doors? Or maybe elevating that cozy inn you already own? You're in the right place. Say hello to our game changer. Check into success, building and running your hotel business. Course. Picture this. Guests raving about your top-notch service. Staff beaming with pride, and that fully booked sign flashing every single night. Sound like a dream? We're here to make it your reality. Here's the scoop. 85 juicy lessons. Watch them, hear them, or read them. Your pick. And hey, don't forget those quizzes after each module to see how you're doing. Real talk from insider pros. We've got the latest trends and insights to keep you ahead. The perfect blend of know-how and flair. Learn the ropes and add that special touch only you can. Quick peek at what's inside? From brainstorming your hotel concept, navigating the financial maze, crafting a standout brand, all the way to ensuring your guests are treated like royalty. And there are some bonus goodies in there too. All right, enough with the suspense. Your dream hotel? Not just a vision, it's a journey, and it starts with Check Into Success, building and running your hotel business course. So are you ready to turn that open sign on and make some magic? Let's get started. Enroll, and let's build that dream together. User-friendly design. Imagine your hotel's website as the digital lobby where guests get their first impression. It should be visually stunning and easy to navigate, offering a sneak peek into the comfort and refinement awaiting them. Prioritize a design that's easy on the eyes and simple to use, making sure that every visitor can effortlessly find what they're looking for. High-resolution images showcasing your hotel rooms, amenities, and unique features can significantly boost its appeal. Additionally, a responsive design is non-negotiable. Ensure your website will perfectly display on any device, a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. SEO, the beacon that guides guests to you. In the vast sea of online options, your hotel needs to shine like a lighthouse, guiding potential guests to your shores. SEO is your beam of light here. By weaving in the right keywords that potential guests punch into search engines, you're essentially putting up a signpost that says, "This way to your perfect stay." Regular, engaging content updates act like a beacon, keeping your hotel visible and inviting in search engine results, drawing travelers to your doorstep. Tell your hotel story. Your website content should do more than list amenities and services. It should breathe life into your hotel story, making guests feel like they're already halfway to checking in. Each room description, blog post about local sites, or behind-the-scenes peek should be a chapter in your narrative, enticing visitors to be part of your story. This is where your hotel's personality shines, turning a mundane booking decision into an emotional connection, urging them to experience the story for themselves. Each word should serve as an invitation, enticing readers to step into the world you've created, making it their temporary home. Streamline the booking experience. The journey from just looking to ecstatically booked should be as smooth as silk. Your booking process is the final hurdle in the guest decision journey, and it should feel less like a hurdle and more like stepping through an open door. Clear pricing, easy navigation, and secure payment processes aren't just niceties, they're necessities that can make or break the booking experience. Make it so seamless that guests hardly have to think, only to find themselves excitingly planning their stay. Leveraging analytics for continuous improvement. Your hotel's website is a living entity, constantly evolving to meet the changing tastes and preferences of your guests. By using analytics, you have a treasure map that shows where guests look, where they might falter, and what draws their attention most. This insight allows you to refine and perfect your website continuously, ensuring it remains an effective tool in captivating guests and converting interest into bookings. Now, if these ideas have you hungry for more hotel hacks, I've got a treat for you. Download our free PDF, Unlocking Hospitality Success, 25 Must-Know Insights for Independent Hotel Owners. It's like a golden ticket, but for hotel owners. So go on, snag it, and elevate your game. You can find a link in the show notes. Have you ever visited a hotel website that made you instantly want to book? Share your experience in the comments below. In conclusion, your hotel's website is more than a digital platform. It's the face of your hospitality experience, extending a virtual handshake to potential guests. By creating a user-friendly design with vigorous SEO, captivating content, a streamlined booking process, and the astute use of analytics, you set the stage for a digital experience that mirrors the comfort and welcoming atmosphere of your hotel itself. Remember, your website is your first impression. Make it a memorable one. In the next episode, I'll be talking about how to create compelling social media content. That's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast podcast. Keep those lobbies lively and the feedback flowing, and always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired. The Hotelier Helpcast podcast is part of the Keystone HPD network.